Generally, when we meet with a client, they've experienced a flood or a fire, and most of them it's their first time. Our goal is to lead them through the process from the beginning and the mitigation through the entire restoration process, and stay in constant communication to keep them informed on what's going on with their property and what to expect next. We have offices in both Fuquay Varina and Wilmington. Our goal is to cover from the Triangle to the coast. Anytime you have an emergency, APR's there. We're your trusted local resource. The benefit of hiring APRs, you get a team of professionals from various backgrounds to guide you through the process. Our technicians are IICRC certified, which is an industry standard, with extensive experience in restoration and construction.